Let me see. I'm back here. Let me see if anybody can come back and join me. I had catastrophic failure. Not cool. See if we can get everybody back in here. Not sure why I had. Actually, my computer shut down. Let me do a couple things here. Zimmy Jim, what's going on? Let me update a couple links here real quick. Bitcoin 30,154, having a big day. Once again, wanted to get live, go over stocks and crypto. Let me delete one here real quick. What's up? You what? I did, but I'm back live. All right, bye. Let me go back and update my links here real quick. Sorry about this, guys. I'll go back into Discord. Twitter real quick. All right, let me get back in here. Chill out, Zoe. All right, sorry about that. Let's let a few people come in here real quick. Let's go back to my stock charts. My computer shut down. If that happens again, I will not come back. I've had a few issues, but I thought I'd fix them. Got the SPY chart in front of us. Big day in crypto. Looks like the Wyckoff backup is completed. We're in a markup phase. I would like to see a correction back down here. We are overbought. I mentioned that yesterday. So we're much more overbought now, around 52, 53 on our technometer. 50 is overbought, so 52, 53 is definitely overbought. You'd expect. We've had a big 4-day run here. What's up, Hunter? So again, let me get this taken care of so I can get back to some stock stuff I have to do before the close. So in front of us, the SPY, same chart I've been showing. I'm on a sell, really just around these levels, slightly higher. I still think stocks are headed a little bit lower in the next week or so. So let's look for that to occur, as I mentioned yesterday. I'm going to kind of sound like a broken record here. TLT. TLT, you can see, was down earlier this morning and once again recovered. It's trading at the highs here of the last few weeks. Technometer's 43, so let's look for, see this TLT can get above this 103 and change level. Otherwise, the bears are going to be happy because that was previous support turning into resistance. But I'm still long. I still think we can go through that area. So let's look for that continued strength. I've been showing the UUP, which is the long dollar ETF. I'll show the DXY in a little bit. I've been looking for a triangle here. This is a wave D coming down here probably over the next few days, and then another rally up to the dotted line possibly, and then the dollar will be ready to collapse, and that should get Bitcoin well on its way to 45,000 plus. Nick's on here if you want to answer Hunter there. I'm not too worried about Binance US, but do your own research. Let's go now to the Bitcoin chart on our Wyckoff software. Here we are on Bitcoin, 30,168. You can see this is actually Bitcoin Bitfinex. Let me get off of here real quick. Let me go to Bitcoin USD Coinbase. That's the chart I've been showing more. Let's load that up. Showing the Wyckoff backup. Again, I keep mentioning the bottom blue arrow is showing volume has been coming in to the sell side, March, April, May, and June. Somebody was supporting that price up there at 25,000, the backup level. That's someone smarter than us, and that's why you're not getting much selling pressure now coming into the markets. We have shook everybody out of this thing, so looks like we can rally easily. Again, lower right, you'll see technometer 51.33. But if we're in a markup phase, that's probably not going to stop it. But hopefully we can get some type of ABC pullback here. Maybe only back to 28.8. I'm not sure at the moment. But would love to get a back up on Bitcoin, get that technometer back down to neutral or closer to oversold, maybe down to 40 level, 41. And then we think it's safe to still enter the market. We have our HODL bags. Trading bags, not as much, so I didn't get as long here as I wanted to. I did get long Microstrategy. I am long RIOT for some of our pay areas. I think those will be big winners from here. I posted those charts on Twitter, so check those out. But I will be adding here on a nice pullback setup. I've shown a Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index, WWCI. Same type of thing. Technometer is 50.6. It was above 52 earlier. That is as overbought as we've been in the last year. So again, an easy area to slow up a little bit here. Look for some type of pullback. Again, lower right, 50.6. So those are overbought levels that normally brings in a little bit of selling. So let's look for that. Let me grab something here real quick. Hold on here. Okay, here's where we like to show our Elliott wave counts. Again, I own Wyckoff SMI, but I do use Elliott wave. Mostly just on crypto. I don't really use it on stocks. You won't see me marking up any stocks really with Elliott wave. Here's the Bitcoin chart. Again, we've been showing this. A WXYXZ is how that correction ended at 24,800. So whether we're in a 3 of 3 up or whether we're just in a wave 3 up, because again, you could just count it as a 1-2-1-2, or you can count it as a large 1-2 ending, and we're ready for a massive wave higher. Either way, much higher. Big house, I do not. I have that still to my side here, but I did not put it in my system. I do have, here's the chart. So definitely not a big meme coin trader. Nick has traded. Nick did take, what, 117% gain in Cobra, I believe, earlier today. He made some big money in Mong and a few of these. Again, I think animal spirits, bullish sentiment is going to return to these markets. So some of these meme coins will probably turn back up again and have pretty big rallies. So we will watch some of those here shortly. Bitcoin 29,916. Ethereum, same type of thing, a big ABC down, finished down there 1630 or so. Came back, touched 1900, we're 1868. Altcoins not performing as well, as we know, because Bitcoin dominance. I tweeted that earlier. If we bring up the Bitcoin dominance chart, let's go back to the daily. There's the Bitcoin dominance chart that I had marked a few weeks ago. We had a sign of strength, last point of support. We're working on a jump. Maybe that was a jump and back up already like we have in Bitcoin and some of these miners. But looks like we're ready still to continue the upside. So we're going to stay bullish. We're going to look for buy areas to ride this bull market. Hopefully we can get consecutive buy signals as we continue to work higher. Let's go back and look at a couple stocks, miners, etc. Let's go back and look at Microstrategy, MSTR. That's one we gave a buy on yesterday for our Discord. You can see here that chart. Same type of thing as Bitcoin. Completed a backup on low volume. Was that good volume coming out of the hole here the last 4 days? So we do own that. And in my stock Discord at wyckoffsmi.com, I also gave a buy on RIOT the other day at 1067. A hair early there, but now it's 1174, over $1 in my favor. Same type of chart. A backup in the spring. Some of these could do really big if Bitcoin goes back to 45,000 or even challenges all-time highs, which I think is going to happen. If you go to learncrypto.io, go to the blog area, you'll see some news that Carrie keeps posting on here. Again, we talked about Fidelity is rumored to make a seismic crypto move soon. They've been a major supporter of Bitcoin. I'm not sure what's going to come from them. We got a EDX Markets that backed by Fidelity, Schwab, Citadel, etc. launching. Deutsche Bank applying for a digital asset custody license. Invesco reapplying for Bitcoin ETF. So major news all over that. LearnCrypto.io to the blog. I post a few charts in there as well. You also can see these things on our app. LearnCrypto.io has its own app, so check that out if you get a chance. We just post really pertinent news that I think is meaningful. That is all I got. Stock's still a little lower. Bitcoin should go much higher. Let's look for any type of pullbacks to be a buyer. Springs on uptrends is what you're looking for. So we'll be looking for those areas as well. Nothing else to add. I just, again, wanted to get on here. I want to stay on here. We'll bring Nick in some to do a duo show. Patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month. You want these trades. real time. And again, on Bitcoin, same chart I've been showing with the Wyckoff labels. Wyckoff has been uncanny here on this accumulation pattern. As you can see in front of you, we had that FTX shakeout. We've had various oversold markets. So if this ends up being all accumulation, we have the strength in the accumulation to get back to all-time highs. So that's what we're going to be looking for. So as usual, going to run a couple commercials here, and then I'll be back here tomorrow. So we're going to run a learncrypto.io course commercial, and then I'm out of here. So no questions. I'll catch you tomorrow.
LearnCrypto.io. Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading method. This method was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff and has been educating traders for 90-plus years. This course teaches you all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 1,000 plus students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. Let's hear what some of the graduates had to say about the course. Craig says, "This is a great course for the crypto trader. I have found it written in an easy to understand format and thorough in its content." BTC Capital says, "I have tried to study TA for a few years, but until I purchased this course, I had been floundering." LearnCrypto.io is owned and powered by WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff in 1931. Enroll today in our cryptocurrency course, and you will receive lifetime access to our current 24 lessons as well as new ones we add. Also gain access to our course group at LearnCrypto.io to talk with Mr. Butterfield, as well as other students as you proceed with your studies. You will also receive one free month to our Patreon Discord paid group, as that is where we give our personal trade setups to our members. This is the only place where you can gain access to our proprietary indicators known as the Optimism Pessimism Index, the Force Index, and the Technometer. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff. To get the best experience, download our Learn Crypto app and get started today.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.